Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike Oski's Kitchen. My name is Mike Olszewski and I'm the chef of this kitchen. And if you're tuning in, I hope you've been tuning in, you're the chef of your kitchen. So let's do something really cool today. Hey look, it's getting warm, it's getting kind of that summertime feel. And if anybody goes on vacation this year, I don't know if you will because of all the craziness going on here. And if you go to the island somewhere in the Caribbean, good for you. I wish I can go with you. If you're going, invite me, I'll go with you. I'll be your personal chef. But we're not going to go this year. So I thought to myself, well, since we're not going, why not bring the island to here? Bring the island into your kitchen. The Caribbean islands are a beautiful, beautiful place to go and visit. But if you can't get there this year or whenever, just bring them into your kitchen. Here's what we're going to make today. We're bringing island food into our kitchens, and it's going to be so simple, so easy. You're just going to go crazy. It's amazing. We're making this Caribbean jerk chicken pineapple bowls. You're gonna love it. So simple to make. There's a few ingredients as you can see right here, but a couple steps, and you're gonna make a dish that if you close your eyes and you take a bite, you're gonna think you're in the Caribbean islands. I promise you, you will. Look, all that's gonna go into this, and there's a few steps that we're gonna have to go through. So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna start with a little bit of ginger, onion powder, cinnamon, thyme, garlic powder, cloves. You gotta have cloves for island food. Allspice, gotta have some allspice for island food, and of course some nutmeg. So this is gonna go into a jerk sauce, a chicken jerk sauce. We'll show you how to do that in the next part. 4 chicken breasts right here. Just trim them up. I trim the fat off them. So quick, so easy. I wish it was easier to trim the fat off of this than it was to trim the fat off of that. Trust me, I'm gonna figure a way to do that. Now, after that, we're gonna have some brown sugar. And of course, to go into our jerk sauce, we're gonna have some light soy sauce, low sodium. That's what I like to use. White wine vinegar. And here it is, pineapple. Wait till you see what I do with this. We're gonna make a bowl out of this. We're gonna take the pineapple that we're gonna cut out of this and use it for the chicken jerk sauce. But this is gonna be our bowls. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great presentations, and you're gonna look like a big time chef coming from the islands. You can even carry around a margarita while you're doing it. So, and then of course, a little bit of green onions. I'll show you what to do with this. It's gonna be just for garnish. Hey look, when we come back, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this pineapple, and then we'll go from there. Hey look, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Hang in there. Here we go to the islands. All right, here we go. First thing we want to do, we want to make our bowl, our pineapple bowl. Again, Caribbean jerk chicken pineapple bowl. Let's make the bowl first. Take your pineapple, a little small pineapple, this is just fine. This is going to make 2 bowls. So what you want to do is, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut the top off. You can do whatever you want with that. You can put it somewhere nice, you can put it on your head, you can do something fun with it. I don't care what you do. But what you want to do now is go ahead and hold the pineapple straight up, and we're gonna go straight down on the pineapple. So we have 2 halves, okay? Just like that. Now, next thing we wanna do is go ahead and take one of the pineapple, one of the halves, and we wanna take our sharp knife and cut a little bit in the middle, kind of angling it into the middle, you understand? Angle it into the middle, so you wanna core this thing out, okay? Keep coming around the other side. Just like that. Now, I'm going to take the same knife. You want to cut it horizontally, make a little cubes out of it. See how it's coming out? And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and go just vertically as now. Okay? Take a spoon and go ahead and start digging this out. Digging out your cores. Just like that. So simple. We got to do a little bit of work to do it. It's fine. And then what I'm going to do is I continue to dig this out. See that? Look at this. See how that's working? We're making a nice little bowl for our chicken. Just core it out and put it in the bowl because you're going to be using this pineapple here for the sauce. And that is about it, folks. A little bit tightness there. You can go to the sides. You can make the bowl as big as you want. I like to kind of keep dredging it out here, dredging it out. And right there, that's your pineapple bowl. As you can see, it's fantastic. It's very easy. Let me show you what I'm going to do with it next. What I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to finish this one, and I'll be right back. Hey, great, we're back. I want to tell you what, we got nice little bowls here, little pineapples. We dug them out, we cored them out. Remember, we're going to use the pineapples as a part of this, this sauce, this jerk sauce. So here we go. Let's make the jerk sauce. We're going to do a cup of the pineapple that we've cut out of these guys, and there's going to be some more pineapple left. I'm going to use a little bitty blender here, a little baby blender. I'm going to put a cup of the pineapple in there, and then next thing I'm going to do is a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're just going to kind of put that in there. Mix that around, okay? And then after that, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Might have to find this one, but 2 tablespoons. So we're going to go 1 and 2. Now after that, let's use the same spoon because we're using the liquids. We're going to go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. You can use a regular sodium if you don't, it's up to you. I like to use a low sodium. It doesn't taste much different to me, but it's a little bit more healthy. 1 and a 2. Fantastic. Now, we're going to go ahead and start putting these really good spices in here. So we're going to go 2 teaspoons of ginger. This is our ginger. Any kind of ginger, ground ginger, 2 teaspoons. 1 and 2. Perfect. Then after that, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of onion powder. So I'm just trying to give you as much as I can as far as the amounts. 1 teaspoon, and that ends our onion powder, which is fantastic. I get more of that. Oh, there's a little bit more. Let's put it in there. Why not? Then after that, we're going to do some cinnamon. Why not? Cinnamon is a great island taste, so we're trying to build this jerk taste, this Caribbean taste. It's really, really, really good. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just building this up. And then 1 tablespoon of some ground thyme. If you have thyme, that's great. If not, get some. 1 teaspoon of thyme. And then 1 teaspoon of garlic. Garlic powder will work great. Let's put that in there. A little bit more. Okay, fantastic. Now we're gonna build it down a little bit. We're gonna actually do 1/2 teaspoons of the rest of this stuff. So 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. I have the whole cloves, and you can use the whole cloves. That's fine. Because what you're gonna do, you can use ground cloves or whole cloves. I like to use the whole ones because it's gonna blend up, it's gonna chop up in this blender. Don't worry about it. If you have the ground cloves, use that. That's totally fine too. And then allspice next. 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. Oh yeah, you know Caribbean food has allspice in it. Look what we're making. We're making this wonderful, wonderful, wonderful sauce. And then finally, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And I'll add some salt to this in a little bit. But that's about it, folks. Look, a little bit more nutmeg. Ooh, that's too much. There we go. So, we got it all taken care of. Now what we want to do is put the top on. We got it plugged in, and let's just grind this thing up. Pretty much what we're doing, we're going to go ahead and make a nice little sauce that we're going to use for our wonderful, wonderful, wonderful jerk sauce. You want to turn it into a liquid. Turn it into a liquid because it's important. You want to get the pineapple chopped up and everything else. And that, my friends, is it. Oh, does that smell good? You can see it. I'm going to show you over here. That's fantastic. That's what we're going to make up when we make the chicken. Now, next thing we want to do is go over to the hot spot. We're going to brown some chicken. We've got 4 breasts, salt and pepper on either side. They're going to brown it for 3 to 4 minutes either side. We're going to take the chicken out. I'm going to show you what we're going to do after that. But this is about ready to go. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, does that smell good? I'll see you right back here. I'm getting excited. Okay, for the chicken now, we've just seasoned it with salt and pepper. I've been having it on this one side for 3 to 4 minutes, so you don't want to do it too overdone. I'm going to go ahead and flip it and do the other side for 3 to 4 minutes. Looks good. That looks nice. That looks nice. That looks great. So I'm going to let this sit for another 3 to 4 minutes. Just want to get the other side brown. And what I'm going to do after that, I'm going to go ahead and take them off. I'm going to chop them up in bite-sized pieces. We'll go from there. Once that happens, I'm going to get my water going for my instant rice. You can use, on this recipe, you can use brown rice or white rice. I like brown, that's what I'm using. So I will see you right back here just in a minute. All right, you see you got an empty pan right here. The old iron sides is empty. We've already cooked our chicken. You can see it right here. It's just cut up into small little pieces. And then what's gonna happen is we're gonna put our sauce in and then we're gonna put the chicken into it. So you can see the size of the pieces, you know, bite size, nothing major. Go ahead. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to take this sauce that we made and let's put it right into the pan. All of it, baby, all of it. We are making an island tasty food. You don't have to go to the islands to have island food. What I'm going to do is go ahead and turn this on about medium. And I'm going to get this thing moving around. All right. What I'm going to do next is, once it starts to liquefy a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add some cornstarch to it, keep it more thick, and then we're going to add the chicken. I'm going to go ahead and heat it up, let it liquefy, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. This guy is bubbling right now. What I'm going to do, I took 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to go ahead and roll that back in there. I'm going to thicken it up even more. I want a nice thick sauce that's going to coat my chicken, and it's going to be amazing. Guys, look at this. If you smell, in fact, I was smelling this, and I think I saw Jimmy Buffett walk by. Or maybe that was just me just fantasizing. So anyway, we mixed our cornstarch into that. If you see in the back right here, we have our rice. It's ready to go. Now, final thing. Go take that chicken that we had. Let's go ahead and drop it in there. There we go. Now, mix all the chicken up. Coat the chicken, folks. This is where it all makes a difference. You want to coat the chicken. Look at that. That's a chicken jerk recipe if I haven't seen one. Oh, it smells so good. We want to coat it all up, nice and thick sirloin. That's what I like to call it. But all that chicken needs to be covered. And we're going to let it cook just a little bit longer to make sure all the chicken's done. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and get this thing prepared to plate and serve. And I will see you guys over at the workstation. That's what you want to see right now. That's what you want to see, okay? I'll be right back. All right, folks, we've arrived in the islands in our kitchen. In the islands in our kitchen. Here we go. We have our pineapple bowl ready to go. We have our chicken, our jerk chicken ready to go. We have some rice ready to go. Let me show you how this is going to come together. You want to take a little bit of rice, okay? We want to fill it up on the inside of the bowl. And I'll tell you why. Let's keep doing that. That's beautiful. Now, you see that? Ooh, it looks like good rice. Now let's take some of our jerk chicken and put it on next to the rice. It's okay if it falls out. Look at that. Boy, that's beautiful. Let's take some of our scallions that we cut up. Let's go ahead and just go ahead and put it for a garnish. And then now a little bit left of the pineapple that we did have. You can just lay it around the plate. We are cooking island food in our kitchens. This is fantastic. Wait till you taste this. Guys, I want to come back. I'm going to try this. I'm going to give it a shot. I know it's good. Keep hydrated. It's hot. It's summer. Wait till we come right back. I want to try. Guys, this is the moment of truth. I'm going to go ahead and try this. I'm going to close my eyes, and hopefully I will be transported into the Caribbean islands. I think I will. You don't know what this smells like because you're on the other side of this. It smells amazing. So let's take a little bit of the chicken, a little bit of the rice. Let's grab some pineapple. And let's try this. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. You will absolutely love this if you like jerk chicken, if you like pineapple, if you like rice. Gosh, guys, this is it. Bring the islands back into your house. And I'll tell you what, it's not that hard to do. You saw how easy it was? Just do it. Just do it for yourself. Do it for your families. Bring the island back into your kitchen. I'm gonna try one more time because it's so damn good. Super, super, super. Look, thank you for showing up. Yes, I'm cooking island food. I'm a Polish guy, but this is really daggone good. I appreciate you showing up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. I'm telling you what, there's more to come. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this stuff. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your patience. And like I always say in my own special Polish way, na zdrowie.